the robot. So I think I went through this before, but my robot, it's a revolt tool to create like little tones and things like that for my robot. You can download most of these here, and then what you do is you just come in and make the sounds that you want. Just like that. There's nothing else. The thing with the reverb, what it does is it allows you to change pitch, set, kind of make the robot sound like he's talking, but of course he's not, right? You can use pitch. It's just like that. And you kind of play around with it. And there's in this particular one on the Revolta, there's like so many different tones and different things that it comes with. It's up to you. This works good for spaceship sounds. Works good for liftoff sounds for spaceships. What else? Yeah, things like that. Telephone, communication, things that you want to just add like a high pitch, weird sound that you want to add. You can do that by doing it by piano. You can also, when you're messing around with these little sounds, you can connect a keyboard to your computer and play around with it that way as well. But yeah, that's all I'm doing. It's just a reverb that's added to a piano. It's just that simple. Whenever the robot talks, you just kind of have to just mess around with the pitch and the sound. That's all it is. So once you get that you like, you could basically save all the sounds, and what I do is I just play it back. So if the character, I don't know, the robot's saying something like I don't know, I'll have a pitch and a sound for that particular part, and I'll just add it on the reverb, and I'll repeat it over and over again for those particular like words, because it almost the pitch makes it sound like my character robot is talking, but he's really not saying anything. But my hope is that the for this particular scene, he's just gonna keep repeating the same sound until the other character starts to understand, oh, you're making sounds instead of speaking like me. You're just making these sounds, and he has to figure out how he's going to dissect that, figure out which tone means what. Basically, that's how it is. But yeah, that's all it is. It's I don't even know if this is a standalone, but this is an attachment to a program I use for like background sounds and intros and outro types of things for the animations. But it's a great tool for if you're doing like a sci-fi type of thing.